Okay guys, I've got the Creality dryer here, and when I first put my spool of filament in there about 12 hours ago, I've done a few cycles here, so it'll do up to 48 hours, but it was at 50% humidity and it stayed there for about 3 hours, and now it's down to 27, 26%, well 27, 28%. I just opened the door, but I wanted to get down to 25 or even down to 20, because they say 20 to 30 is ideal. So anyway, I'm going to let it run for another hour here. Maybe let's increase it for a couple more hours, and let's put it in for 2 more hours. I'd like to get it down to 25%. And I've got this kit right here that I ordered, vacuum storage bags for all of this filament, and this is one of them right here. So I'm going to show you how it works. And this is the bag with a special bag. It's a little tougher than a regular bag. It's got an air valve in it and a vacuum pump. So let's open it up here. There we go. And line this up. There we go. And then we'll put that in, and we'll put in some silica gel, which this is reusable. I didn't know it was, but apparently it is. But these are reusable pouches, and oh, what a pain. Let me get this stuff open. There we go. I'm going to put a couple in here, because this has not been dried yet. And then close it. It has a little closing thing there, but we're going to just use my hands, flip it over, and then set this right here. Well, I thought it was an air valve. Yeah. There it goes. You can see it's shrinking. It's not shrinking very fast, but I don't care how fast it goes as long as it's pulling all the moisture and air out of there. I guess it wouldn't hurt to read the instructions. Oh. There we go. Okay, now we'll see if it holds a vacuum. Looks pretty good. Looks like it's holding it. We'll just let it sit there for a few minutes and double check. But anyway, that seems to be working.